Replacing a door may seem like a simple home upgrade, but in a place like Weston, where New England weather can be unpredictable, seasonal changes are dramatic, and many homes have unique architectural styles, the quality of the installation matters just as much as the quality of the door itself. That's why homeowners are increasingly choosing to work with local door replacement experts who understand Weston's climate, housing styles, and long-term performance needs. Here's why partnering with local professionals delivers stronger, longer-lasting results for your Weston home. Local experts understand Weston's four-season weather. Weston experiences everything from freezing winters and spring rainstorms to humid summers and windy fall days. These shifting conditions place constant stress on exterior doors. Local professionals know exactly how the area's seasonal temperature swings affect door materials, seals, and hardware. With local expertise, you benefit from recommendations for materials that won't warp, swell, or crack, installation techniques that protect against drafts and heat loss, weather stripping solutions designed for New England climate extremes, doors built to handle daily temperature changes. This climate-specific knowledge leads to longer-lasting performance and fewer repairs down the road. Proper fit and sealing for maximum energy efficiency. Many Weston homes were built decades ago, meaning some door frames may have settled, shifted, or developed uneven edges. Local installers understand how to work with older homes as well as new construction, ensuring a door fits perfectly, even when the doorway is no longer perfectly square. Professional local installation protects your home by preventing drafts that increase heating and cooling costs, ensuring tight sealing to block moisture and cold air, using insulation techniques tailored to older New England homes. An efficient door is one that reduces energy bills and keeps your home comfortable year-round, something that's difficult to achieve without local expertise. Familiarity with Weston's architectural styles. Weston neighborhoods feature a mix of colonials, Cape Cod-style homes, modern builds, and historic properties. Local installers understand how to match a replacement door to your home's existing design while maintaining its character. Local experts excel at recommending styles that blend with traditional architecture, advising on modern upgrades that preserve curb appeal, navigating historic district considerations when needed. Whether your home is classic or contemporary, local specialists ensure your new door enhances its beauty rather than disrupts it. Knowledge of local building codes and requirements. Not all installers are familiar with Weston's building codes, permitting regulations, or safety requirements. Local professionals, however, know them inside and out, ensuring your replacement door meets all standards and avoids issues during future inspections or home sales. This expertise helps you avoid delays caused by incorrect permitting, failed inspections due to improper installation, safety concerns related to outdated practices. Local compliance means smoother progress, better safety, and more reliable long-term performance. Access to high-quality, climate-appropriate materials. Working with local pros often means gaining access to materials specifically made to handle New England weather. These materials perform better, last longer, and protect your home more effectively than generic, big-box store options. Local installers help you choose fiberglass and steel doors, ideal for moisture resistance, insulated glass for patio or entry doors, hardware and finishes that hold up to humidity and cold, durable frames that won't rot, swell, or warp. This results in a door that stays strong and looks beautiful for many years. Faster, more reliable support when you need it. Choosing a local expert means your installer is nearby for any adjustments, repairs, or follow-up questions. You're not dealing with an out-of-town contractor or a national chain that sends generic support. Local support gives you faster service, personalized attention, long-term care, and guidance. Peace of mind knowing help is only a call away. This ongoing relationship ensures your door continues performing well long after installation. Final thoughts. When it comes to lasting door replacement results in Weston, local expertise isn't just a benefit, it's essential. Local installers understand the climate, the architecture, and the community's standards, ensuring your new door is installed with precision and designed to withstand New England's demanding conditions. By choosing a local professional, you're investing in durability, comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value. All things that make your Weston home safer and more enjoyable year-round.